Okay, so my new mouse, wireless mouse from Logitech. It's the G304. It's also, for other regions, it's a G305. And I'm currently using the G103 or G203 for other regions. So let's open this. Just receive it. So, how can I do it one-handed? Then I can. Actually, you know what? You can just peel this thing off. Yeah, it's just easy. Okay. Oh my god, this is really hot. Oh, because... Oh, this thing's hitting it. It's blocking. You peel this thing off. So it's just in here. Oh, this is really hot. There we go. There we go. Oh shit. Got the mouse. So we got this thing, a manual. The receiver is inside the mouse. Got the battery. And it's just these instructions like for people to, I don't know, weirdos. And you also got a sticker, kind of similar to the Apple. Also give stickers and their products. And very cool. And you also got this little manual thing. Play your way. Color collection. My one is black. So here it is. There we go. And here it is. Look at this. Oh shit. It's really lightweight, but I haven't included the battery in it. And whoa. Wait. It's, I don't know, like, yeah, you can hear it. This click is more loud. This is a lot quieter, which I kind of like. Holy shit, it's very quiet. The sides and the mouse 1, mouse 2. The middle is a little bit more harsh, more harder to press it down. And the scroll is also a little bit harder. And the DPI really doesn't matter. This one, yeah, it's clearly louder. And it's harder to press on the G203. And the side button. The side button on this one is quieter. But then the mouse 1 and mouse 2, the click, the mouse, the left click and right click are louder. And this one, the scroll is a lot faster for some reason. Maybe it's just my mouse problem, as you can see. And this one also got RGB, but this one doesn't have, which is, I really don't care. Because RGB on wireless mouse also decrease the battery life more faster. So the back, as you can see, it looks very similar. It's literally the same. But this one just have the power switch on and off for wireless, and you got this thing, so this. So yeah, so you can use it one-handed. I can. So right here is the receiver. pull out. Oh my, there we go. So you got this little thing in it. It's receiver, and I think, yeah, they also include a cable, the extender receiver cable for the mouse. So you just plug this receiver in to this female header, and you plug this thing to your PC, and you can extend the mouse so you can use it further away from your PC. So like I really don't, because it's my PC right here in front of me, so I'm not gonna use this thing. But it's a good feature for it to, for them to include this, just in case if you really want an extender. But you also got this AA battery. Oh, not for resale. It's a Duracell, and yeah, I don't think, do they? Wait, no, they don't have plastic. That's good. I don't know. And I think this is alkaline. So there's AA alkaline battery. So this is kind of heavy. It's kind of weight, So plus I need to put this face this way. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Okay, so you just plug straight in. It doesn't have a click sound. And now, you know what? Let's just put this thing out. This is the for my printer over here side. So let's just plug in the receiver. You also have the little logo at the front, the Logitech logo. And I'm just gonna plug this straight in. Bam! There you go. And we are setting up USB receiver, as you can see. So let's put this thing back, and as you can see, it's working. There you go. And yeah, this is a lot more heavy, but in the future I'll probably also buy a adapter for this thing. I mean a converter, the AAA battery case, the AAA to AA converter case, plastic case. Also gonna buy the energizer, the lithium, what is it really called? Because it's like lighter than alkaline. And yeah, it's a lot heavier, but I still can play with this. I mean, if you're using it like this, personally I use like this. It's a little bit of claw. It's not like just all lay down mouse, but I use a little bit of claw. But most of the back I still control the back. So claw grip is like, it's like this. For me, it's more like, it's kind of like medium. I don't know. Anyways, as you can see, RGB. So let's just. So I also download G-Hub, and as you can see, you got performance mode, and you got this. So whoa, there's like colors. What the heck? Okay, so my main is 500 DPI and 1000, and then this straight up, because I'm a CSGO player or Valorant player. Oh shit. And I usually play 500 DPI, and I play also use 1000, and because the one I use, this one is only to 8000, which is like, this is kind of like for like throwing spinball like that, like you move your camera around very fast. And now it got upgraded to 12,000. Very nice. And like they have like colors. Before my one doesn't have colors. Look at this. It doesn't have colors. It's just yellow for the default one, and the white just for other. And I'm also gonna use a 1000 Hz polling rate. And you got performance with it. I'm gonna use performance. I don't. What's the difference? I'm scared to use high performance. Huh. I don't know, man. I feel like there's a latency. Yeah, there's like I don't know, man. It's kind of weird because it's also wireless, so you know, also got this thing, turn it off. And since it says inactive, really cool. I'm gonna turn it on now. But yeah, for me, there's a little bit of latency. I don't know why. I just feel like it. Or maybe this is even less latency than wire, but it's kind of weird. I don't know, man. Both these mouse are great. It's just I use this wire mouse so long for like 2 years. Now I switched to wireless. It's kind of weird. I don't know, man. I don't see anyone complaining for the latency in this. It's just that it's a little bit heavy. Maybe you need a little bit more to make it lighter. Whoa. The battery's got a little bit of sound, I don't know why. It's like I hear the sand sound. I don't know why. But yeah, I think it's pretty good. I'll say if you want to go wireless, then yeah, this is really worth it. I bought it for around 30 bucks. And it's really good. I bought this with the mouse pad, and total it costs around $25, which is it's not bad. It's pretty good.